Taking a live look over Everett and Tacoma, looking pretty cloudy with some breaks of sun, but enjoy the sun while you can. Adam Claibon here to tell us that more rain is in our forecast.
Yeah, we're going to see another wave tonight. Tomorrow, less of the rain around, but we do see, looks like more of a chance of a storm to pop up with some of that extra daytime heating because of the few sun breaks that we're going to have into the day tomorrow. This morning, cold. We had wind chills that were down into the 20s in a few of our spots, including Everett, Olympia, Seattle. The coldest temperatures we got to as far as those wind chills, 26, 27 degrees. Tacoma around 27. Bellingham all the way down to 30. Now, by no means record setting, but it just really is continuing on top of what we've been seeing here so much here into the month of April. Now, speaking of the temperatures, actually, here they are. Low temperatures for this morning dipped down to 35 in Bremerton, 37 in Puyallup, mid-30s in Olympia, and 39 in Arlington. So numbers safely above the freezing point, but as you go higher up in elevation, and we're talking 1,500, 2,000 feet, then you get to that freezing level, and that's where eventually you get up to 5,000 feet, and we had enough moisture that we were producing snow up here at Paradise. So a completely covered parking lot right now up at Mount Rainier, and we do expect to see even more here as we head on into the evening, as we'll still have more moisture coming off of the ocean right here. Westward, you can see some of those dark clouds off into the distance, ready to come onto shore and eventually bring in some more rain chances like we're going to see here into Seattle and other parts too of western Washington. We're at 45. That wind still breezy, so that does make it feel even chillier out there. Current temperature at 41 in Bremerton. We're at 47 in Renton, 50 in Puyallup. Most spots didn't get out of the 40s. Today and tomorrow might be another one of those days. Maybe the extra sunshine could help us out a little bit with that. Also a little more instability in the atmosphere, so that's why you see a few lightning strikes. Generally, it looks like that has been around parts of the coast, especially the south coast. Zooming into areas right here across parts of the northern Olympic Peninsula, you can see those showers moving over Highway 101, Quileute and Forks up around Neah Bay. Farther south, this is a heavier band of rain that's going to be moving on by. So closer to Aberdeen and around Wishka. Get ready for a quick downpour with this. Could be a possibility of a quick lightning strike. We can see that in the past we've seen some lightning strikes down this way, but overall it looks like we're going to keep a lot of that off towards the west, and then more areas of light rain kind of here and there, and then just something really unique to see. You can see that pink right there over the Kitsap Peninsula. Yeah, that's air cold enough at the very tip top of some of those foothill communities that we're dealing with maybe a few light snowflakes mixing in. But most of the snow is going to be higher up into the mountains above 3,000 feet. We could see anywhere between 6 to 18 inches of snow. That advisory in effect until 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. Still dealing with this area of low pressure, but it is going to weaken and eventually head on out if you're later on into the day for tomorrow. And you're going to see that here showing up on future radar tonight. Still some showers around, but looks like we'll get one last wave of some steadier rain just after midnight tonight into early Wednesday. That's going to start to move on through, and then you can start to see a lot of the shower activity dying on off. So once we head into tomorrow night, 9 p.m., most of it is gone, and we'll continue on into Thursday, where we start off dry here across western Washington, but it's not too far away that we're going to see more rain come in as we go deep into the afternoon and on into the evening. Your forecast here over the next 7 days calling for a bit of a warm up, but it's not going to be a whole lot of one. We'll get from the low 50s back into the mid and upper 50s over the weekend, and we'll probably stick around some of those same numbers with some chances of rain into the earlier start of next work week. Tuesday should stay dry.